Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson we're playing Kookaburra. At the start of this video we're learning Kookaburra step by step and I'll talk you through the bowing and how to play it. And then by the end of this video we're going to play this as a 4-part round. So something very exciting to look forward to. If this is something that you fancy learning and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do so now and hit the bell button, and that way you support this channel so I can make more videos. So thank you so much for that in advance. Now when we play Kookaburra and you look at your music, you can see many different note values. So we start on a set of eighth notes, then we've got a quarter note. At some point we also got 2 quarter notes slurred, and then halfway we get half notes, and then we finish with a whole note. And the trick is to know how you're going to play that on the bow. So the eighth notes we're going to play either at the lower half or at the upper half of the bow. The quarter notes we are going to play on the whole bow. Even when you play 2 quarter notes slurred, we're also playing these 2 on the whole bow, but my bow travels much more slowly. Now, can you believe this? The half note is also played on a whole bow, and so is the whole note at the end, but you're going to go and bow more slowly on these notes still. So we're aiming for a really good bow control in this piece. I'll talk you through as we go along, so please join in playing with me now. And we're just going to explore exactly where on the bow we're going to be. So let's get started on the A string at the heel of the bow. I'll count us in for 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. Now use the whole bow on this note. Now stay on the upper half for the 2 eighth notes. Whole bow here. Whole bow again. This brings me back to the heel of the bow. Whole bow. Stay at the upper half. Whole bow now. And whole bow again, but bow more slowly. Now next up is our half note. And the half note, of course, is the same bowing technique as the 2 quarter notes slurred, you see. So you go the whole bow again. Stay at the upper half now. Whole bow. Lower half. Whole bow's here. Whole bow, but very slowly. And once you've got your bow distribution right, like you have now, you should have a really good tone quality. And the whole aim of this exercise of meticulously structuring the bowing is to make a better quality sound. So you're doing great, improving your sound all the time, because this is getting more complicated now, isn't it? Let's now play the song again, and let's go a tiny bit faster. I'll count us in for 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. Amazing, and you're getting better and better at this song. Now what follows is this song as a round, and if you find this song quite tricky to play, why don't you just listen to it first so you've got an idea of where you're heading. And before you join in playing with this round, I suggest you practice your own part so much that you feel comfortable playing it without stopping. So that might take a couple of days, and for some people it might take a couple of weeks, and that's okay. Playing the violin and doing it well takes time, and we've got time, and you will enjoy learning this piece as you go along. But I promise you, one day you will be able to play it as a round, and that is really where we're headed at this stage. So good luck with your learning, and I hope you'll really enjoy playing this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Goodbye.